Hey everybody, Scott Mundy with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today's virtual tour is Kitchen Crate Custom Black Walnut in Modesto. This is another Kitchen Crate Custom. There's a product we rolled out this year that takes the same Kitchen Crate concept as always, and now we do all new custom locally fabricated cabinets. So let's jump right into this beautiful project. So the first thing you're gonna notice is this is actually a face frame cabinet style with an inset door and drawer face, and you can see those door and drawer faces literally sit in line with the frame of the cabinet, creating this kind of cool European look, but still provides a lot of detail and a lot of cool features when you look at it, and obviously also use the cabinets. And so let me kind of give you a tour around this kitchen. So we deleted the old pantry. It was an actual walk-in pantry, really wasn't laid out well, and created almost like this monstrosity in the back right corner of the kitchen. So we got rid of that. We did a little structural work to accommodate that, and we instead put in this new cabinet piece that's a pantry as well. And next to that you'll see the refrigerator, and next to that you'll see this really cool coffee bar area we created for this customer. And the cabinets there, although they're built in and in a similar style, they were designed to almost look like a furniture piece there at the lower cabinet at the coffee bar. So as you tour around this kitchen, you're going to see the L-shaped piece, which is similar in profile to the previous kitchen layout. Of course, the sink is centered on the window, but what we did here is we made the space much more accessible. So the biggest thing to point out is the new blind corner access. It's this really cool Lazy Susan piece that pulls out and takes this dead space in the blind corner to the left of the sink and at the back of the peninsula and turns it into a really usable space for this particular customer. Another thing you'll notice is a bank of upper cabinets to the left of the window was removed. Floating shelves were installed, and that is really on trend these days. Floating shelves are a really cool feature for your kitchen and just really kind of open it up but still give you some storage spots. Last thing to mention is the beautiful countertop and backsplash combination here. You're going to see a simulated marble quartz top, really popular, really durable, beautiful look, and you're going to see an iced white subway tile backsplash, and it's all brought together by a sill granite sink there in the countertop area. So once again, Kitchen Crate Custom Black Walnut, yet another Kitchen Crate Custom this year. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 888-995-7996, or log on to kbcrate.com. We'd love to talk with you. Thanks so much.